Hey everyone, welcome back to my Python tutorial series. In this video, we are going to learn about another important data type in Python, that is Boolean. So what is a Boolean data type? A Boolean data type represents only two values, that is true and false, and it is represented by bool in Python. Let's go to our Jupyter notebook and do some hands-on around Boolean data type. Let us see how to create a Boolean data type. Let's say I have x and I assign the value true to the x. And if I print x, I will get true. And if I print type of x, I will get true. So if I assign the value true to x, Python will understand that it is a Boolean variable. Similarly, if I assign false to y and print y and print the type of y, I will get the Boolean again. So Python recognizes true and false as Boolean values. Let us see some Boolean conversions. Let's say if I have a value a equal to 1 and I want to convert a to Boolean. How will I do? I will do it using a bool function. So bool is a function. Inside parentheses, I can pass the value a, and if I execute it, it will give true. So the value 1, when gets passed to bool function, it gets converted to true. Similarly, if I have a value b as 0 and I print the bool function and I pass the value b to it, what will I get? I will get a false. So Python will convert the value 1 and 0 to true and false respectively using the bool function. There are other empty strings also which result into a false. Let us see what else can be represented as a false. Let's say if I pass the empty string to bool function, it will still get converted to a Boolean which is false. If I pass none, still I will get false. If I pass empty list, I will again get false. If I pass empty dictionary, I will still get false. So all these values become false. And mostly, apart from these values, usually the other values will become true. So this is all with respect to Boolean data type in Python. That's all for this video. In the next video, we will be learning about logical operators in Python. Thanks for watching.